Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set a 0.5 inch fast line indent in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. Fast line indentation is commonly used in easy assignments, research papers, books and professional document, and getting it right is essential for proper formatting. Many users press the spacebar or tab key, which lead to an even formatting and layout problems. In this video, I will show you the correct and professional way to indent the first line by 0.5 inch using built-in word tools. So let's get started. You can see here many pages in this document because this document is my assignments. Now I want to make the first line indent. Here the first line, then get the cursor on the back of the first line, then you can press tab on your keyboard and we can see the indent is 0.5, but the indent is not showing. You want to show the indent, go to the view menu and select the roller option and go back the home. We can see here the left indent option. Here you can see you can manually indent the first line easily. Now I am make 0.5, press tab. Now you want to change the indent, go to this paragraph setting option and click these tabs. We can see here the tab stops position and here the default tab stop. You can increase or decrease this 0.5. Otherwise you can alignment left, right, leader 1, etc. Now I am click OK. Then you can tabs on your keyboard and we can see we indent 0.5 easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.